Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best fake edges is probably one of the most revolutionary beauty accessories to hit the market, offering an instant solution for achieving those perfectly laid, natural-looking baby hairs without the daily struggle, allowing you to effortlessly elevate your hairstyles from sleek updos to playful ponytails with a flawless, polished finish that truly transforms your overall look and confidence. Number 5. Modelones 510 PCS Almond Soft Gel Nail Tips. This kit provides a generous 510 pieces of medium soft gel nail tips. You'll have plenty for multiple applications and creative designs. Designed in a beautiful almond shape, these tips offer a sophisticated look. They are pre-etched and half-matte for easy application and a natural finish. Enjoy a seamless manicure experience with these full-cover clear tips. Their pre-etched surface ensures better adhesion, making them simple to press on. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these tips are perfect for extensions. Create stunning manicures right in your salon or at home. With 15 different sizes included, finding your ideal fit is easy. This ensures a comfortable and natural-looking extension for every nail. Crafted from soft gel, they offer both durability and flexibility. These tips are designed to withstand daily wear while maintaining their beautiful shape. Transform your nails with this comprehensive kit. It provides everything you need to achieve professional-looking extensions with ease and convenience. What we like? These offer a perfect almond shape and soft gel flexibility. If you're looking for a natural, comfortable fit with a variety of sizes, this is your go-to. It's ideal for at-home DIY manicures seeking salon-quality results. What people say. Number 4. African Pride Black Castor Miracle Edge Control Gel. Introducing the ultimate solution for your edges. This unique formula is designed to give you a strong, long-lasting hold, keeping your styles impeccable all day. Infused with the power of black castor oil and coconut water, it not only holds but also nourishes your hair. These natural ingredients work together to promote healthy edges. Whether you're rocking braids, locks, or slick styles, this gel is your perfect companion. It provides excellent control and definition for a variety of looks. Beyond just holding, it also helps to cover and conceal thinning areas along your hairline. You can achieve a fuller, more polished appearance instantly. Experience an unbeatable strong hold that keeps every strand in place without flaking or residue. It ensures your edges stay laid and smooth, no matter the activity. Packaged in a convenient 2.25-ounce size, it's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups and travel. Keep your edges looking sharp wherever you are. What we like? This gel provides a strong, long-lasting hold for your edges. Infused with black castor oil, it also nourishes while it styles. If you need a reliable edge control that promotes healthy hair growth, this product is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Seki Edge Folding Lash Pin Comb SS603. Discover an innovative way to effortlessly reach and separate your lashes. Its crafted stainless steel pins cut through mascara clumps, giving you a striking and luxurious look. This tool helps avoid mascara clumping by evenly distributing it across your lashes. It easily reaches, separates, and naturally extends them for a flawless finish. Its rust-resistant, tempered steel pins make your lashes truly stand out. People will wonder your secret as these needle-sharp pins clear clumps with zero effort. This compact, folding design easily stows in your purse or makeup bag. It's perfect for women on the go, offering pin protection and portability wherever you travel. Crafted in Seki, Japan, by the creators of the samurai sword, this tool combines centuries-old craftsmanship with modern technology. It's part of the world's finest grooming and styling tools. Elevate your beauty routine with this essential tool. It ensures perfectly separated, beautiful lashes every time you use it. What we like? This innovative tool uses stainless steel pins to perfectly separate lashes. It effortlessly removes mascara clumps for a striking look. If you desire clump-free, naturally extended lashes and appreciate Japanese craftsmanship, this compact comb is a game-changer. What people say. Number 2. Dr. Martens Jadon Smooth Leather Platform Boots. Step up your style with these iconic boots. They combine classic Dr. Martens durability with a bold, elevated platform. They are a true statement piece. Crafted from premium smooth leather, they offer a sleek and polished look. This material is known for its resilience and ability to age beautifully. You'll appreciate their lasting quality. The signature platform sole adds significant height and a powerful silhouette. It provides a confident stride while maintaining comfort. They truly elevate your presence. You'll find all the beloved Dr. Martens hallmarks, including yellow stitching and an air-cushioned sole. These details ensure both authentic style and lasting wear. They are built to the highest standards. These boots are perfect for making a statement with any outfit. They effortlessly blend rebellious edge with timeless fashion. You can pair them with almost anything. What we like. These boots feature a distinctive platform sole and durable smooth leather. They offer an iconic, rebellious style with added height. If you're seeking a statement footwear piece that combines fashion with rugged durability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Louis Vuitton Modern Luxury Updated Edition. Discover the definitive story of an iconic brand. This updated edition delves into its rich heritage and enduring influence. Explore how it all started, from its humble beginnings to becoming a global phenomenon. It redefined luxury travel and fashion. Understand the innovations that set it apart. It pioneered new standards in craftsmanship and design, shaping the very concept of modern luxury. This revised volume offers fresh perspectives and never-before-seen details. It brings its fascinating journey right up to the present day. Immerse yourself in the world of unparalleled style and innovation. It continues to inspire and captivate generations of admirers. What we like. This book delves into the rich history of a renowned luxury brand. It offers updated insights into the birth of modern luxury. If you are a fashion enthusiast or appreciate the heritage behind iconic brands, this updated edition provides fascinating details. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to select the top points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.